Did it ever occur to you, Angel, that we as individual people are responsible for the individual choices that we make? If someone joins some cult, even if they're a good person or not, or I think they're better than me, or I love them or hate them, or I think that they've been manipulated or abused, there is nothing I can do about it. Nothing. They're not going to change unless they want to. You know, my father was still smoking cigarettes when he was in an oxygen tent. I begged him to quit my entire life. Did it stop him?